Okay, these are two suckers I've just taken off the plant, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to trim off these lower leaves on it. So now it looks like this. Okay, I'm going to take the lower leaves off this one as well, just by pinching them off. And again, it looks like a little tree, and the stem is going to go in the dirt. Good afternoon, YouTubers. My name is Mike, and I'd like to welcome you to my backyard garden. Today I'm going to follow up with my Clone Those Suckers video, where I took cuttings or clones from a beefsteak tomato plant, put them in the dirt where they would root. I'm going to put those in their final growing spot. Here is the tomato right here, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clear away the mulch and then gently excavate the root ball of the plant up and into its new home right there. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to excavate way away from the plant so we don't damage very little of the root, and I'm getting deep. I'm getting this deep in the soil to make sure that we don't disturb the roots as much as possible. And you can see this is the roots after about a couple weeks. Not the best root start, but it is a root start, and the plant is very vibrant. Okay. Just put it right next door to the little hole I made. Put some mulch on it, around it rather, and water it in. I've done the other clone I did two clones on that video. The other one I took out a couple days ago and brought over to my mother's house and planted it for her in a fabric grow pot as well. So I'll be doing some video of that plant over time to show you how it's done over at Mom's house. That's it, guys. I'll water it in and that'll be all. I will show you the video of the one I took out and gave to Mom, along with this one. I want to thank you again for hanging out in my backyard garden. Hit the like button if you would be so kind. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, as it's very helpful and very much appreciated. Thanks again, and have a great day.